Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shivakant Pathak here with you to take a topic energy band in solid. To understand the concept of energy band and solid, let us consider the properties of atom, properties of matter. Properties of matter dependent on, let us see here, first of all, properties of solid is dependent factor the atom of which it made up of. Suppose water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So two or more than two atoms combine form molecule structure. How is the molecules of atom settled? And in solid, in bulk, it is crystalline line or amorphous. If it is crystalline, which type of geometrical? See carefully. So solid, crystal or amorphous. If it is crystal, so type of crystal is important. So for the property of a solid, a lot of factors are here involved, and these factors are directly related with the topic of today, energy level. Here in this energy level, let us take example of an isolated atom. Right? So if we take an example of an isolated atom, see here we are knowing in an atom there is a nucleus and electrons revolve around it. In a nucleus there are a proton and a neutron and electrons revolve around this. It is clear? Electron revolve in various orbit and this orbit having radius R1, R2, R3. Each orbit have their energy level. Let us take, this is a position of here in the energy level diagram. It is energy level of a single atom, in which it is a position of nucleus, first orbit, see compare with it. First energy level, first orbit, their radius is R1. Second orbit, their radius, and third orbit, and so on. Depends upon the type of atom. See one more thing here. The orbit of an electron is influenced by the charge of isolated atom. So orbit means radius. Radius is dependent on the charge produced in the nucleus. Here in the diagram we have taken 11 proton, right, and 12 neutron of sodium atom here. So number of proton determines the radius. In hydrogen different radius, first orbit, in helium different, in neon different, and so on. In every atom there is a different. So each atoms have a different energy level, and due to that, because of their different radius availables. Clear it is? So properties is dependent on this energy. The first is the atom. So atom structure is given. One more thing. If we know solid is made up of single atom, it is combination of the molecules. Single atom have a different property. If we take example of hydrogen, hydrogen atom and hydrogen molecule, both have a different property. When hydrogen molecule in the group, so group of hydrogen molecule gas, hydrogen gas has a different property. How they set up? This is applicable in case of a solid. Right? Now take us example of a solid, energy level of a solid. Right? If we take example of a solid in which more than one atom is there, first of all, atom will be arranged more than one atom. Each atom first orbit, there is a different, slight difference in their radius. Let us take the first energy level diagram here in it. Same like as the first energy level in the first diagram. See here, if we have more than one atom nearby, one atom is influenced by another. See very carefully, an atom is influenced by their nearby atom. Here in this whole solid, it is called perturbation theory. Perturbation theory or effect. See, the term perturbation means influence of one due to the presence of another. If I influence because of you, then there is a perturbation effect between me and you. If energy level, first energy level of one of the atom is influenced by another atom available, suppose 2, 3, 4, 10, 20 and so on, and their energy level there is a slightly different. So a number of energy levels is generated here in this case. In the first energy level, second orbit electron also influenced in the same way. This is second energy level, right? Same like is in third energy level. Their energy level slightly adjust little up and down. It is third energy level. See carefully. So slightly changes occurs, right? When there is slightly change in that, as a result the proper and one is influenced by another due to the term here called in the physics perturbation theory, perturbation effect. Perturbation effect means influence of one due to the presence of another. See very carefully. So in that condition, the property of the solid changes. The property is determined by the influence on the energy level of the orbits and how electrons are found here on the orbit energy levels. So their arrangement changes. Clear it is. If this is like this, then all this energy level is slightly converted into bands. See the energy band diagram very, very, very carefully here in this case. The first orbit, first energy level is considered in this way, in the band theory. This is energy band called. All these energy bands are distributed. This is first band, it is called first energy band. Same like this. Here in the second, see in front of this a number of atom, one center atom is influenced by a number of atoms, so second orbit will also be influenced. This bands is explained here by taking hydrogen atom as the example. Which atom? Hydrogen atom, and this is called second band, energy band, and similarly there is the third one. See carefully, and so on. These energy bands are so generated. We may write it is third energy band. So this band forms. When band forms? When there is more than one atom or molecules available nearby and forms a solid structure, a definite structure in that energy band diagram bands obtained. The range of, see carefully, the range of energy in the first energy level, second energy level, third energy possessed by electrons of same orbit in solid is called energy band. See carefully, which is called energy band, right? In this energy band, all the electrons of all atoms can move freely. This equipotential surface here, equi-energy, equipotential surface here, equipotential surface here. They can move freely, equally at random motion in their band. So this is about energy band in solids. This is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.